Hey guys, want to play Minecraft with friends on other platforms from your PlayStation? You'll need to connect a Microsoft account. Here's exactly how. Launch Minecraft on your PS4 or 5 from the main menu. Select sign in with a Microsoft account. The game will show a 8-digit code and a link. Visit aka.ms/remote connect on your phone or a browser. On that page, enter the 8-digit code displayed on your PlayStation. Then log in with your Microsoft account. You can create one free if you don't have one. After you sign in, your PS4, PS5 will auto-refresh and your gamer tag will appear in the Minecraft main menu. That confirms you're linked. Also important, you can only link one Microsoft account per PlayStation account, and once linked, it cannot be changed without creating a new one. Also, to add friends, you can go to Friends, then add cross-platform friends, and enter their Microsoft game tag. And that's how you link your Microsoft account to PS4 or PS5. Like and subscribe for more Minecraft tips, and drop your gamer tag in the comments if you're looking to squad up. Thanks for watching.